Okay, here's my thermostat. It is a programmable thermostat, but it's not a smart thermostat. It only monitors the area here downstairs in my living room. So, as you can see, it's a little dirty. It's been here for quite a while. So we're going to change this out with the Ecobee. And for the Ecobee, you need to have the 4-wire system. I'm sorry, the 5-wire system for it to go in there exactly right. Um, Nothing special, but not quite. It's just a regular manual thermostat. So I'm going to pull this off, and as you can see, I have 4 wires. Got the red, the white, the yellow, and the green. So yellow and the green wire. So red, white, yellow, and green don't have the C wire, which means that I'm going to have to go in the attic and use the power connector for the Ecobee. So as you guys know, you need to be safe when you're doing this. So I'm going to turn off the AC unit so that no power is going to be going up there while I have to change the auxiliary power connector for the Ecobee. So here's my AC. Always practice safety first. And now we're going to go up in the attic. As you can see, the wires are already labeled, so I'm going to go ahead and disconnect them and take the thermostat off the wall, and then I'll go up in the attic and put the power auxiliary connector up there. Okay, so I'm up in the attic. I'm in a little dark, cramped area. As you can see, I've got a green, the C, the red, the yellow, and the white wire on the circuit board. So none of these wires are marked. There's also different colors than like the yellow is a blue wire. The others are fine, but I'm going to take these wires off and then I'm going to mark them first. Okay, here's the side that connects to the 4-wire system. You got the white, yellow, green, and red at the top. So I'm going to connect these to the 4 wires that go down to the thermostat. Try to cut the wires short enough to go into the tension holders without having too much exposed. I'll show you that once I plug them all in. Okay, as you see, I got the white, the yellow, which is the blue wire, the green, and the red connected here. And I've got the white, which is the orange. I've got the yellow on the yellow. I've got the green on the green. I've got the blue on the C and the red on the red. See if I can get you guys a better picture of this. White, yellow, red, the C wire, and the green. Okay, and these two pieces, we snap them together. I'll get a shot of that after I snap these two together. Okay, I'm just going to set this right here. It's got the connections covered and everything, and I'm going to close it up. We're going to go back outside and power it up and see if everything comes on okay. Supposedly it checks the wiring, and if the wiring's proper, everything will work. Okay, so I'm going to use a small plate. I don't think the big plate would even cover my little holes there, but what I'll do, I'll just fill those with some stucco putty and then repaint it. I actually repainted the wall before I started making this video because the long thermostat was not painted behind it, was white in the back, so went ahead and painted it before I started my video. And my wall where I'm mounting the Ecobee, there is a stud right behind it, so I didn't need the little drywall screws that you use on these. And also, as you see, there's a little level at the bottom, so to get your Ecobee level, now all I have to do is connect up the wiring and we'll go on from there. Since I had to use a power extender kit, this is the wiring diagram that I have to use. It needs to go into the RC wire for the R, green for green, terminal yellow 1 for yellow, and W1 for white. So now this should be a quick and easy hookup. All mount like this when you're using the power extender kit. So as you see, I got the red, green, yellow, and white. And what you want to do is, you see the little keys are depressed there. You want to make sure those are depressed and tug on the cable a little bit to make sure that it's in there good. So now it's time to hook up the Ecobee. Okay, coming back out to turn the AC back on. So we got power to it. I'm going to go in and put the Ecobee in. Okay, it's time to snap in the Ecobee and start her up. We have detected wiring in the following terminals: R, C, G, Y, and W. Is this correct? Yes. Do you have these accessories? Humidifier, dehumidifier, ventilator? No. Do you prefer Fahrenheit or Celsius? Fahrenheit. Equipment configuration: stage 1 heating, furnace default, stage 1 cooling, fan. Don't know what that means anyway. Furnace or boiler, back, fan. Do you want the fan to be controlled by the thermostat or by the HVAC equipment? The thermostat. Back. So next, choose a name from the list or enter your own. Main floor, upstairs, downstairs. I'll stick with my Ecobee. What is your ideal temperature during the winter? Ecobee suggests 71, so I'll go with their suggestion. Okay, 71. Next, what is your ideal home temperature during the summer? Ecobee suggests between 74 and 78. I'll pick 74 just because of the upstairs. And give that a try for a while. Next, what is the current mode of your HVAC system? Off. Want to go auto. Next, if the Ecobee senses that you are home during your schedule away period or away during your scheduled home period, it will automatically override your schedule to maximize comfort and savings. Enable if the Ecobee is located in your family room or some other high traffic room. It's family room. Step 1 of 2. Please select your country of residence. I'm in the United States. Please select your time zone. I'm in the Central Time, which here is usually Chicago. Yep, that's it. To get the most out of your Ecobee3, you will need to connect it to your home network, Wi-Fi network. Okay, next. Use iPhone, iPad. Next. On your iOS device, go to Wi-Fi. Ensure Wi-Fi is enabled. Choose the Ecobee serial number such and such. Once the iOS device has been successfully added to your Ecobee to your network, return here for a complete setup process. Okay, let me go to now. It says that your Ecobee is now connected to the ecobee.com server. Next. Time format, 12-hour. Date, February 26th. Time, as I told you, I'm a night owl. It's 12:10 a.m. Requesting registration code. Going to try to set up one of the sensors for the master bedroom at the moment. Okay, it says you appear to have a remote sensor installed. Would you like to pair it with your Ecobee? Yes. Bedroom. The sensor is active during the selected comfort settings: home, away, sleep. Next. Congratulations, your sensor is now paired. To change the sensor settings and related features, such as smart home, away, and follow me, you can go to the menu sensors. Finish. Smart home, away enabled. Follow me enabled. My Ecobee, it's 68 degrees occupied. Bedroom, 71 degrees occupied. But the bedroom's not a true reading because it's standing right here in front of me at the moment. Let me know what you think of the video by commenting below. And if my videos are helpful to you, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.